All right, traders. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. I just want to do a little quick trading recap of today's session because uh, it's stretched out more than 1 hour long. So I cut it and I told you guys that I would make a little trade review and I'll post it on the community. So instead of posting on community, I'll just explain why I took this trade and the reason why I was comfortable holding it, right? So and comfortable with these stop losses. So first off, let's take this off and this one too. And just put the entries and exits because makes it less crowded. Good, good, good. So this morning, right, since I base myself off of market structure, um, initial trade should have been to take it long here, right? I didn't take it long here, so I waited for retracement at the beginning of this fair value gap and the first presented fair value gap over here at 933. So I took one long over here, one long at the entry zone of that first presented fair value gap, and I had my stops right below here. As you see, it hit the stop loss, okay? But it also broke these lows and closed below. So there is a change of structure right here, right after breaking for new highs. So this was basically manipulation. I got manipulated, so I paid a premium for basically information. And I'm fine with that because I stuck to my guns and I started shorting on the upside side of the market of this morning's move. And I used the first presented fair value gap as an inversion fair value gap paired with this one. And I started shorting right at this breaker. So first position was at this breaker. You're going to see it right here, the bottom of the breaker. Second position was at the entry of that first presented fair value gap. And third entry was short over here, right when it created a double fair value gap, a BISI and a SIBI. So I shorted at the entry of that SIBI. It did not pass, it did not make new highs, and it continued shorting from there. So that is the reason why I was comfortable shorting and shorting with size at these levels, because it also had left like some relative equal lows, and it did not break and close above with a body over this first presented fair value gap. Right here was the confirmation, and then I was like, I could sit back, relax, and see it go take my TP, which was over here. 1, 2, and 3. I scaled out. So yeah, that's it for today. First, we had a loss. Don't get phased, everybody. When you lose, it's important you guys don't get phased. And uh, think about what is happening in the markets currently. All right, think about what's happening in the markets currently, and what is the narrative saying? What is the price action saying? Because if you get emotional and you start buying again under here, well, that's stupid, because it clearly shows you that you were on the wrong side of the market over here, broke below these lows, and it was probably gunning for these low, relative equal lows over here. So it's really important that you leave emotions out. You understand that you just lost a trade, step back, and think about it objectively. So I shorted. The average position was around here. Right here, stop loss was above these highs right there, and take profit was right here. So at 1.28 to 1. And yeah, that's 150 a 50 point take profit over here. 150 points. So like an 80 point, 90 point total, because we lost. Okay, a 100 point total trade. but the second trade was 1.5 times the size. So that gives you an idea. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this trade review. And the target for this one was this inversion fair value gap on the 1 hour. Let's go check it out on the 1H, 1 hour, like that I could show you guys. This is the inversion fair value gap that if you stretch it out, that was the target. I scaled out a little bit before because I was pretty much in profit, and if it didn't get there, I was fine. You know, it was pretty good for the day. I hope you guys like this trade recap video, and catch you guys tomorrow for Nasdaq pre-market analysis and live trading at 9:30 a.m. And the pre-market analysis drops by 9, like that. You guys have time to watch it all. Cheers. Have a good day, traders. Bye bye.